Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Viva Aerobus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button. And then click on the Language button. And then the application will direct you to your phone's settings, where at the Prefer Language section you can set it, as you can see, to Spanish and English. So just click on the one that you want to use and then go back to the application and it will set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.